Hey YouTube, what is happening? This is Nav. Now, a while ago, if you remember, I did a review and unboxing of the smartphone video rig made by Ulanzi. Now, the guys over at Ulanzi reached out to me and asked if I can do a review of the upgraded version of this video rig, the U-Rig Pro, I believe, or is it U-Grip Pro? Anyways, they sent me 2 units out to review. So if you haven't watched the video for this old unboxing, do check it out. You clicking on the link above. So we'll see what this new version's upgrades are. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll put this old one to the side and check out this new one. Oh, that's nice. See what the differences are. Put this bubble wrap to a side, and these are the 2 rigs. Okay, put one of them to the side and get this one opened. Right, what have we got here? Got some instructions and a little getting started guide. Okay, we don't need that. So exactly same construction, plastic, but sturdy plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, but it's the same build quality as before, so quite sturdy. We've got 3 cold shoe mounts on the top. We've got 2 tripod mounts on the top and 1 on the right side as well, and the bottom, sorry. Again, we've got a soft grip for the phone holder. We've got a small knob on the front to adjust the holder with the Ulanzi logo on, and that can be adjusted. Well, this is spring loaded this time. The old one was not spring loaded. This one is spring loaded, so it grips the phone, then you can screw it back up. Cool. Let me get my phone and try it out. So I've got my iPhone 10. Okay, that's cool. Hugs the phone nicely, and that is not going anywhere, and it will also accommodate larger phones as well. Now, like I said, from the previous model, this one has better expandability. You have 3 cold shoe mounts on the top whilst the previous one had 2, and you also have 2 tripod mounts on the top, 1 on the right hand side as well as 1 for the bottom tripod. So a lot of expandability on this one. Now, if you're interested how the video footage will look like, it will be exactly same as the previous one. So if you want to see when I tested the previous Ulanzi grip, then check out the video link on the top there. You'll see how that compared to just standard handheld, and it's basically, bottom line is, it's not going to be perfect, but it's way better than just holding the phone by itself. So here you've got like a wider grip of holding a device, so the video footage is quite stable. However, it's not going to be perfect. If you do have the budget, then I would recommend you go for a smartphone stabilized brushless gimbal, such as the DJI's as well as the Yongnuo's and the Xiaomi's. There are a lot of stabilized smartphone video rigs out there that have the electronic brushless gimbal features, so do check out those there. However, comparing the price with this is around $20 US, but those are way over $100, so only if you've got the budget you'll be looking at that option, but for this it's definitely recommended. Right guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, do hit that like button, it helps me out a lot, and if you haven't already done so, why not consider subscribing to my channel for lots more content coming up, and make sure to click on the notification bell because you'll be the first to know when my videos are out. So until next time, take care.